Take this moment for yourself. Expand your awareness and connect. Listen to the abundant flow of water. Everywhere you look is absolute abundance. The grass, the leaves on the trees, the sunshine peeking through the branches. The universe is filled with abundance. There is abundance for everyone. It is here for you. Open yourself up to receive the good that belongs to you. Living in gratitude is the gateway to abundance. Fill your heart in grateful appreciation for all that you have, all that you are, and all that is coming. Let it pour out of you like the ever-flowing stream. What are you grateful for today?